Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare Audi S3 versus Ferrari, which is better. Pay close attention to handling, acceleration, and practicality as we break it down. I'll explain how horsepower and weight shape driving feel, then contrast pricing and ownership costs. Expect clear examples and simple math to make differences obvious, plus final recommendations depending on whether you want daily usability or pure performance excitement. In this segment, we dig into pure performance numbers and real-world feel. We'll compare 0-60 times, top speed, and how power delivery affects everyday driving. I'll describe suspension tuning, transmission behavior, and sound that influence emotional impact. Expect concrete examples like trade-offs between turbo lag and naturally aspirated engines, and practical notes about usable power on public roads versus track settings. If you're enjoying this breakdown, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps drinks cold and fits most cup holders, ideal for long drives in either car. It's handy, spill-resistant, and perfect between spirited laps or commutes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Now we focus on practicality and real expenses so you can choose wisely. We'll look at maintenance, insurance, fuel expectations, and depreciation to see long-term ownership impact. I'll compare interiors, storage, and how each car handles daily routines like grocery runs or short trips. By the end, you'll know which option suits a sensible daily driver and which is better as an occasional performance toy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.